Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 15th chapter proof in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss exercise 15.1 in Telangana State Book page number 313. In this session today we will learn it in this exercise 1 to 4 problems. Okay. Today we will learn it one by one. First, let's see the problem in our textbook. Be carefully, listen better, neatly. State whether the following sentences are always true, always false, or ambiguous. Justify your answer. Yeah, this is the question. In this bit, 1 to 6 sentences is given. These are which sentences is true or false or ambiguous. Justify your answer. One by one only. Okay. Do you know the statement, definition, and ambiguous? What's the ambiguous? Statement, sentences which are true or false, but not both, is called as the statement. Ambiguous means is the sentences which is not a statement. It is not clear or decided. That is the ambiguous. Okay. Yeah, based on these two topics today we will learn this bit. All are the problems today we will learn it on. First one, there are 27 days in a month. Do you know the month? How many days are there in general? How many days are there in a month? In general, in month 30 or 31 days are there. What's the month in minimum days are there? February month. February has the 28 days are there in February month. In leap year is 29 days also there in February month. So in given statement, what is given? There are 27 days in a month is given. So this statement is always false. Okay. Why it is false? Are you understood? In general, in month 30 or 31 days. And February is 28 days. In leap year is 29 days. So that's why this statement is false. And next, second one. Makara Sankranti falls on Friday. Makara Sankranti falls on Friday. This statement is ambiguous statement. Why it is ambiguous statement? This statement may or may not. Whatever the year is given, Makara Sankranti falls on Friday. Makara Sankranti falls may or may not on Friday or a day of the week only. So that's why this statement is ambiguous statement. And third one, the temperature in Hyderabad is 2 degrees centigrade. This statement is ambiguous statement. Why it is ambiguous? The statement sometimes in winter season the temperatures in Hyderabad is 2 degrees centigrade. Sometimes may fall down to 2 degrees centigrade in winter season. So that's why this statement is ambiguous statement. Next, fourth one. The Earth is the only planet where life exists. This is true statement. Why it is true? This statement, we can say always true statement. This is the known fact. So far, we can say this, but it can be changed if scientists find evidence of their life exists on other planets. So that's why this is the true statement. Are you clear? Are you understood? This is the known fact only. So that's why this is the true. Next, dogs can play. This statement is always false statement. Why it is false? Dogs cannot play. So that's why this statement is false. And next, sixth one. February has only 28 days. February has only 28 days?
False.
No, it is false. February has not only 28 days. In leap year, February has 29 days also. So the given statement is as only 28 days is given. So that's why this statement is ambiguous statement. Okay, are clear? And next, second bit. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons. What's the reasons for your answer? Okay. And in this bit is 1 to 5 questions are there. So first one, the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 350 degrees. This statement is true or false? Do you know the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is? Do you know Gagan side? Quadrilateral is the sum of, how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. So sum of the 4 interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. We know that one.
Yes.
Okay. But in given statements, what is given? Here the sum of the interior angles of quadrilateral is 350 degrees is given. So that's why the statement is false. Okay. What's the reason? Are you understood? Because the sum of the interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degrees only. So that is the reason. And next, second one. For any real number x, comma x square greater than or equal to 0. The statement is true or false. First let us take the x values. If x equal 1, substitute the values. If x equal 1, then substitute the values in this above statement. It is correct or not? 1 square greater than or equal to 0. 1 greater than or equal to 0. So it is satisfied. So for any real number greater than or equal to 0. So here this is true one. And negative number, let us take the x equal to minus 1. Okay, substitute this one. Minus 1 square greater than or equal to 0. So minus 1 square, it is nothing but 1. 1 greater than or equal to 0. So it is also satisfied. Okay. Square numbers is always greater than or equal to 0. So this statement is true statement. Okay, this statement is true. Why it is true? Because square numbers, square of any number is always greater than or equal to 0. So that is the reason. Okay, are you clear? And next, third one. A rhombus is a parallelogram. Do you know the rhombus and parallelogram? You already learned in previous classes. In parallelogram, all are the opposite sides are parallel and equal. We know that. In rhombus is also same. In rhombus, all the sides are equal only. So opposite sides are also parallel and equal. So that's why a rhombus is a parallelogram. Is it a true or false? True.
True.
Why it is true? What's the reason? Because in rhombus, opposite sides are a parallel and equal. So that's why every rhombus is a parallelogram. Okay, that is the one property. So that is the very important. That is also it's over, and this is the statement. The given statement is true only. It's over. And next, fourth one. The sum of two even numbers is even. The sum of any two even numbers is even. So that's why first let us take the two even numbers. Let us take any two even numbers. For examples of, let us take 2 plus 4. These two are the even numbers. Sum of two even numbers. What we will get it? Is it odd or even? 2 plus 4, it is nothing but 6. And another number. Let us take the another two numbers. 4 plus 6. These two are the two even numbers. Sum of the two even numbers. What we will get the answer? 10. So sum of the two even numbers, is it even or not? 6 and 10, is it even? Even numbers. So the given statement, is it true or false?
True.
True. So the given statement is true. Why it is true? Are you understood? The sum of the two even numbers is always even only. So that is true. And next, fifth one. Square numbers can be written as the sum of two odd numbers. Square numbers can be written as the sum of the two odd numbers. Let us take the square numbers. Do you know the square numbers? We know that. What's the square numbers? 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay. It is nothing but 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 3 square, 4 square. Okay. Just like that. This like one. Okay. These are the square numbers. Square numbers can be written as the sum of the two odd numbers. Let us see one by one. Here 4 we can write it as, how to write it? 3 plus 1. So sum of the two odd numbers, can I write it? 3 plus 1? Yes, it is possible only. 4 it is possible. Next 9, check the 9 on. 9, how can write it? 9? 4 plus 5. Okay. 4 plus 5 or 7 plus 2. So here 4 is the even or odd number? Even number. One even number plus one odd number. So it is not possible. Okay, sum of the two odd numbers is given. In given statement, what is given? Two odd numbers is mentioning there. So but in your 9 equal to 4 plus 5. It is one even, one odd. So 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is the one even or one odd. So that it is not possible only. What's the possible are there in 9? How to write it? 9 it can be written as 1 plus 3 plus 5. It is possible. So all are the odd numbers. Sum of the three numbers, it is possible, 9. But two numbers is given. Sum of the two odd numbers is mentioning there in given question only. But it is not possible. Two numbers it is not possible. Only three numbers or three odd numbers it is possible only. Okay, 16 also 15 plus 1. How to write it the 16? 16 equal to 15 plus 1. So here both are the odd numbers. So 16 it is possible. But 9 it is not possible only. So here given question, what is asked? Square numbers can be written as the sum of the two odd numbers. This statement is false. Why it is false? This statement is false statement. Why? Because all the square numbers cannot be written as the sum of the two odd numbers. Why cannot be written? What's the example? Example is the 9 cannot be written. Sum of the two odd numbers cannot be written only. Sum of the three odd numbers it is possible only. It can be written only. So that is the example. So the given statement it is false. But all square numbers can be written as the sum of odd numbers it is possible. But your two odd numbers it is not possible only. Okay, that is the reason. Are you understood? Yeah, it's over. This problem solution, are you understood? This problem solution is over, and this bit is also over. And next we'll move on to the next question, third question. Restate the following statements with appropriate conditions so that they become true statements. Okay, restate the following statement with appropriate conditions so that they become true statement. Yeah, this is also very simple. This problem solution is very simple, and this bit is a 1 to 5 statements are is there only, one by one discussed. First one, all numbers can be represented as the product of prime factors. All numbers can be represented as the product of the prime factors is mentioning there. Let us take examples. Let us take the numbers of 4 factors, prime factors. What's the 4 prime factors? 2 cross 2. Okay, are clear? Next, another one. 6 prime factors is 2 cross 3. And next, 16 factors is 2 cross 8. So 8 factors is, what's the 8 factors? Again 8 factors. You have to write it there again 8 factors. 2 cross 4. Then again 4 factors. That's why 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 2. These all are the prime factors of 16 only. Okay. all numbers can be represented as the product of the prime factors. Natural numbers, it is possible. Okay, all natural numbers can be represented as the product of prime factors, but not all numbers, because only natural numbers can be represented as the product of prime factors. That is the true statement. Next, second one. 2 times a real number is always even. 2 times a real number. Do you know the real number? All numbers. Real numbers contains all numbers only. So that's why is it always even. 2 times of a real number. Once check it. Let us take numbers. Let us take the numbers. First let us take the natural numbers. 2 times is multiplied by any number, whatever the number. So for examples of 4. So 2 cross 4, it is nothing but 8. Is it a even or odd? Even. Next, another number. Let us take the another number. 2 into natural number. Let us take another natural numbers, whatever the number. So 2 cross 6 equal to 12. So is it even or odd? Even number. What we will get? Even number. 2 times of natural number, we will get a even number. But in given statement, what is given? 2 times a real number is always even number. Real number. Let us take the real number. Now let us take the real number, any real number. So 7 by 2. Let us take 7 by 2. What we will get it? Is it even or odd? Cancellation. Both are the cancellation here. 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. What we will get it? 7. So 7, is it a even or odd? Odd number. So the given statement, is it a true or false? False. But here true or false not asked only. What's the restatement? 2 times a real number is always even. It is false. 2 times a natural number is always even. That is correct one. Okay, are clear? Are you understood? Real number, it is wrong. Natural number, it is correct. Natural number, it is correct one. Okay. In this is also all numbers is not correct one. Here only natural numbers is correct one. Okay, are clear? Are you understood? Yeah, next third one. For any x comma 3x plus 1 greater than 4, this statement is given. This statement, is it correct or wrong? For any x, 3x plus 1, let us take the x values, either positive or negative, whatever the values, we can take the values and substitute this above statement. What we will get it? Let us take the values. If x equals minus 1, okay, this statement, if x equals minus 1 and x equal to 2, substituting these two only. 3 into x equal to minus 1 plus 1 greater than 4. Okay, 3 into minus 1, it is nothing but minus 3 plus 1 greater than 4. So minus 3 plus 1 is nothing but how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 greater than 4. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. When it is possible, x greater than 1, it is possible. Greater than 1. So if you check it, if x equal to 2, then what we will get it? 3 into 2 plus 1 greater than 4. Okay, 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 1 greater than 4. So 6 plus 1, it is nothing but 7. 7 greater than 4. It is possible? Yes, it is possible. Greater than 1, it is possible. But negative numbers, it is not possible. In this given statement, negative numbers, it is not possible. Right? Minus 2 is greater than 4. It is not possible. So that's why. What's the true statement here? for any x greater than, for any x greater than 1. If x greater than 1, this given statement is true. Okay, are clear? For any x greater than 1, 3x plus 1 greater than 4, it is true. Okay, are clear? Are you understood?
Understood.
If x greater than, then given statement is this true statement.
Okay.
This is true. Okay. Next one, fourth one. For any x comma x cube greater than or equal to 0. This statement, is it true or false? First check it. Let us take the x values. If x equals 1, okay, and x equal to minus 1, x equals 2. All are the values are substituting in this one only. So x equal to 1 cube greater than or equal to 0. So it is possible. Okay, and minus 1 cube greater than or equal to 0. It is not possible. This is also 2 cube. So it is possible. Here it is the what's the correct statement? If x greater than or equal to 0, then the given statement it is true. It is possible only. So it is possible. This is the when it is true, x greater than or equal to 0. If x greater than or equal to 0, it is possible. Okay. This statement it is possible. Are clear? Are you understood?
Yes, understood.
Yeah. Next one. Fifth one. In every triangle, a median is also an angle bisector. In every triangle, median is also an angle bisector. It is not possible. Why? Because here every triangle is mentioning there. Every triangle means, let us draw the triangles. First one triangle. Let us draw this triangle. Median. Do you know the median? Median is divided into two equal triangles. Let us take the ABC. How to draw the one triangle? That is the ABC triangle. And how to draw the one median? This is the CD is the median. Median is divided into two equal parts. We know that one. So, but in every triangle is mentioning there in given question. But in this triangle, the median is divided into two equal parts. No, it is not possible. Here, this is the small triangle. This is the big triangle. Median is not divided into two equal triangle only. Only when equilateral triangle is, it is possible. Why? Because all are the sides and all are the angles are equal. So, in equilateral triangle, it is possible. Median, it is possible only. Okay, are clear? Here in given statement, in every triangle, a median is also an angle bisector. No. Why? Because only in equilateral triangle, median is also an angle bisector. But in another triangle is not possible. Okay, are clear? Are you understood? And next, fourth one. Disprove by finding a suitable counter examples if statement x square greater than y square for all x greater than y. Yeah, this statement, these all are this exercise. All are the problems and solutions I am already wrote in our notebook. These all are the questions and solutions. Okay. All are the questions and explanations. All are it's over in our textbook. It's over. These all are the answers. Okay, see the last problem, fourth big problem. Disprove by finding a suitable counter example. So here is the no space Gagan side. So that's why I am explaining in this book notebook only. Okay, because here no space only in our textbook. Yeah, first let the solution for this problem, fourth problem. Yeah, first let us take the values. Counter example. Let us take the x and y values. I take the values. X equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2. Otherwise, x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 3. Otherwise, if x equal to minus 8 and y equal to minus 10. Any one only. Then, we have to substitute the values in this above statement, what we will get it. Here x greater than y is give. So x greater than y, it is nothing but what's the x? X is minus 8. So greater than minus 10. Then what we will get it? X square equal to minus 8 whole square. Substitute in this above statement. What we will get is 64. We will get it. Y square equal to minus 10 square. It is nothing but 10. So what we will get it here? X square greater than y square. Is it possible? 64. X square, it is nothing but what's the 64 are greater than 64 greater than 100.
No.
Is it possible? It is false. It is false. Why it is false? It is a bigger, this one only bigger. This is the comparing of this one is the not bigger only. So x square less than y square, it is possible only. It is true. Okay. X square greater than y square is false. Since here this one only. This is possible. This can be proved for any set of the negative numbers. Let us take the any two negative numbers. The given statement is false. Okay. When it is true, x square less than y square, it is true only. But x square greater than y square is given in given statement. So that's why it is disproved. Okay. And x square greater than y square for all x greater than y is disproved only. Okay. Check it. This can be proved for all the set of the negative numbers or negative numbers and all of the positive numbers. All of the substituting in this above statement, what we will get it. Okay. Other two examples also are finishing in this notebook only. So that this another example is also, look at this Gagan Sai. Another example is also not possible only. X square greater than y square, it is a false. Here x square is 4, y square is 9. So 4 greater than 9, it is false. X square less than y square, it is a true. Okay. Let us take the any two negative numbers. It is disproved. This is the given statement, it is disproved. And the given statement for all the x greater than y, it is disproved. This exercise 11.1 all problems and solutions is over. Are you understood? Are you any doubt? Are you understood? Are you any doubts? In our textbook explanation directly, all are it's over. Books is also all are the clearly. I am already wrote one by one. You read and practice only. Okay. These are the very simple problem solutions. Once read and practice. 8-4. Okay. Problem solutions. It's over. Today is my class. It's over. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye.